Hello my dear friends. I hope you are all doing well. I'm here with another video. In this video, we will start with the most basic English words from level A1 and gradually move up to level C2 through several videos. The videos will be published daily. Each video will be a short lesson and will be categorized. Make sure to practice each lesson well. Rest assured, by the end of this series, your vocabulary will have grown amazingly. Stay with me. Jobs. Money. A medium of exchange in the form of coins, bills, or digital currency. He saved money for a new car. Refers to currency used to buy goods and services. Job. A paid position of regular employment, often with specific duties and responsibilities. She got a new job as a teacher. Describes a regular role or task performed for payment. Work. Physical or mental effort done to achieve a goal, often in return for money. He goes to work every day. Refers to tasks or activities done as part of employment. Doctor. A medical professional trained to diagnose and treat illnesses and injuries. She visited the doctor for a checkup. Used to describe a person with medical expertise who provides healthcare. Dentist. A medical professional who specializes in the care of teeth and gums. The dentist cleaned my teeth. Describes a person who takes care of dental health. Nurse. A healthcare worker who cares for patients, often assisting doctors. The nurse checked my blood pressure. Refers to a person trained to provide medical care and support for patients. Teacher. A person who educates students, typically in schools or other learning environments. The teacher explained the math lesson. Describes someone who instructs others, especially in academic subjects. Engineer. A professional who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or structures. The engineer designed a new bridge. Refers to someone who applies scientific principles to solve technical problems. Actor. A male who performs in plays, movies, or television shows. The actor won an award for his performance. Describes a man who portrays characters in entertainment productions. Actress. A female who performs in plays, movies, or television shows. The actress starred in a popular film. Describes a woman who plays roles in entertainment media. Police officer. A law enforcement professional responsible for maintaining public order and safety. The police officer stopped the car for speeding. Used to describe a person responsible for enforcing laws. Waiter. A male server in a restaurant who takes orders and serves food to customers. The waiter brought our drinks. Refers to a man who serves food and drinks in a restaurant. Waitress. A female server in a restaurant who takes orders and serves food to customers. The waitress took our order. Describes a woman who provides service in a dining establishment. Driver. A person who operates a vehicle, like a car, bus, or truck. The driver dropped us off at the station. Refers to a person who controls and operates vehicles. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.